The House Judiciary Committee has set its sights on Amazon for what it says is a potentially criminal obstruction of Congress. In a letter sent to Attorney General Merrick Garland, the Antitrust Subcommittee accused the online retail giant of refusing to provide information that lawmakers were looking for, and in their investigation of the company's competitive practices. All of this according to the Wall Street Journal. That letter alleges that Amazon lied about its treatment of outside sellers on its platform. We did reach out to Amazon for a statement, and they replied there is, quote, no factual basis for this, as demonstrated in the huge volume of information we provided over several years of good faith cooperation with this investigation. Relic of the Wild West days of peer-to-peer file sharing, Limewire, remember that? It's making a comeback after being shut down in 2010 following a lengthy legal battle with the Recording Industry Association of America. The service plans to relaunch in May as a marketplace for what else? NFTs. New owners as of last year, Austrian brothers Julian and Paul Zehetmer, say they'll focus on letting users trade rare music-related items, including limited editions, unreleased demos, and other digital merchandise. An online mortgage lender, Better.com, is firing 3,000 employees in the U.S. and India just months after laying off 900 workers just before Christmas last year. The company hired extensively during the pandemic, quadrupling in size while mortgage rates were low. But recent fluctuations in the real estate market and an expectation of an interest rate increase from the Fed has left the company struggling. Besides, this is obviously the latest sort of misstep with this, on the part of this company, because there were also reports that people got severance checks that landed in their accounts before they had been actually notified that they were being laid off.
Julie, you could take Better, you could take Stitch Fix and put it really, both of them in that same trash bin, because this is just continues to be a terrible story of a company, really a story of one of gross mismanagement first and foremost, but second of all, of course, just changing market dynamics. And I continue to look through this Better situation, not just from a management perspective, but look what we're seeing in some of these mortgage stocks. United Wholesale Mortgage, it's shocking. I was just on the Yahoo Finance Plus platform right now. United Wholesale Mortgage, largest wholesale mortgage company in this country, stock is now at $4. You have Rocket Mortgage, a giant, massive lender. That stock is around $11 here. These are just huge declines in companies that are playing a key role in the mortgage process. It's almost hard to believe.
Well, and it's hard to understand as well, because you could see the increases in mortgage rates coming from a mile away, right? We knew that rates are going to go up because the Fed has been telling us that rates are going to go up. And, you know, it's just kind of confusing the huge bulking up that many of these companies have done. A startup like Better.com, at least they're new to the industry, right? Some of the big wholesale mortgage brokers, you would think that they would know better. They've been through cycles before, although they're much bigger now than they were. I don't know. I'm interested in continuing to dig into this because I think it's an interesting dynamic.